everyone, welcome to Learning Station. In today's video, we are going to discuss the idiom, my cup of tea. My cup of tea is an expression used when you talk about something that you enjoy doing or that you are good at. Now, let's check out a few situations where this expression is used.
I enjoy painting. It's my cup of tea. She has a beautiful garden. Gardening has always been her cup of tea.
This idiom is also used in the negative form as not my cup of tea. Not my cup of tea is an expression used when you talk about something you don't enjoy doing or something that you are not good at. Now let's check out a few situations where this expression is used.
Oh God, coding is just not my cup of tea. I can't understand a word. He is my best friend, but I must say that cooking is definitely not his cup of tea.
For more such videos, please do keep watching our channel. So until meeting you next time, it's Nima and the team at Learning Station signing off. Bye-bye.